Hey guys, welcome to my channel Art and Craft Master. So here today we're going to be doing origami seal. This is the origami seal. It can also stand, and yeah, so let's get started. So the only needed item is a square sheet. So first we fold this into half like this. And then unfold it and fold this corner like this till the crease which we made by the half fold. Just like this. Same the other side. Now take this side and fold it like that till the crease we made by the half fold. Same the other side. Just like this. Now we take this part out and then fold it like this, and then make this fold go out this side. Same the other side. Take it out and then fold this and then make the fold go out this side. Now after this we fold both of these like this. Just like this, and then we take this corner, fold it like this first to make the crease, which will help us do this fold. So take this like this and then fold it using the crease which we made, just like this. Now we have made the neck part, we just need to make the head. So we just fold it like this and then fold it backward like this. Now we have made the head. Now we just need to make the tail and the fins. So first we'll make the fin. So fold this flap just like this. Same the other side. Fold this flap like this. And to make it stand, fold this like this till this line and fold it back like this, and now it stands. Now we just need to make the tail. So take it and then just fold it back like this. After this, small step, that is, we just need to make the eye. So that's it guys, we have made this origami seal. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for more videos. Like the video if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.